Welcome to our quick guide on elevating your support experience with live chat. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. This deployment option is tailored to meet the needs of various industries, including e-commerce, travel and hospitality, tech support, healthcare, and finance. It provides rapid assistance and swift responses. It is perfect for sectors like e-commerce, where customers expect immediate support during sales or promotions. Let's explore how to use it. Sign in to your custom GPT app. First, go to your project settings. Navigate to Sharing, and then click on Enable Sharing link. Click on the live chat option and enable it. You'll have full control to customize your live chat agent settings. Adjust agent position, automate pop-up chat bubbles, reset conversations, set prompts, and customize width and height to fit your website setting. Now let's see how it looks like. Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit customgpt.ai.